Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we're stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue.
What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got a really cool projector mount for your ceiling. I've done another video about this on the installation, so I will have a link available in the description on that one, but that's probably not released yet, so probably better to have this one first. So really cheap, this one, cheap as chips, and it comes with some screws, Allen key and your screw. So it comes with Allen key, screws and the washers and stuff pretty much out of the box. And then this is your mount for your projector. It's a bit hard, I'll have to adjust this using the Allen key, but you can see this, right? This one goes on the top on your ceiling, and this is the one that connects to your small. So this is one thing worth mentioning is this is for small mobile projectors, not for the big ones which have 4 holes around. So that's something that you need to be mindful of. It's for small projectors. Some of the projectors come with 2 options mount to the 2 sides, along with this specific screw that you just need to set up, install, and you're good to go. So that's the principle here. Small projectors, and this should be good enough. We've got the Samsung projector, the small one. That can be a really good projector that can use this specific mount, and this goes off the ceiling. One thing I don't like about this is that this bracket itself is too big, although the screws are just 2 of them, and these 2 here, it's just a bit too big. Why do we have such a big bracket? It doesn't make any sense to me. But maybe there's some loading, some sort of scientific method that they've applied against this to be just used as such a big one. But that's what we have. You can paint on it, or you can put like a drywall, or just make it flatten out or something. So you would just only see this part of the bracket, which is also quite interesting because it just basically hangs off of this. So yeah, if you can hide this part once you've installed it, then nothing like that. That will be perfectly fine. But if not, obviously this is like a pretty big, like the mount that hangs off of the wall. That's the projector mount. I will obviously have a link for the other video where I've done the installation to a smaller projector, and yeah, you get the idea. Actually, let me show you what the projector looks like. So I already got that projector. Let me get it out. It's in here. So this one has this installed already. Let's get rid of the bag. Wait a second. So let me show you this. So this is how it's been installed. This is a second, of course. And one thing I've seen on here is that it's slightly fundamentally different. As you can see on this one, it's got these 4, I don't know, these brackets to just keep it nice and soft and simple. And this one's has also got some washers around on these ends. But this one seems to not have them, but this has been perfectly fine. I've had no problems with this. So look at that. Oh, it does have those washers, but it's super cool to use. You can install this on your ceiling, and look at that, how simple, how easily sometimes, like I mentioned, some of these projectors have screws on here. This one has a screw, which was basically to put it onto the table, but you can put a screw in there and then attach it, hang it off of this side, so it gets additional support. Just beyond this one, it's got this one screw and pretty much hanging off that. So you get additional support there just to sort of allow it to be, yeah, just managed better. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or queries, please let us know. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.